100% recreational walk. Feel pretty good. I carved up yesterday, so hopefully I'm burning some reserves. Ate pretty high protein diet all week, low carbs. Then, like I just said, carved up yesterday. Had some shrimp lo mein, pretty good. But this is just a decompression hike. I feel good. My muscles feel solid. Pretty good for 57. So actually what we're doing today is trying to knock off some trails at the Hickory Run State Park trail system. So we're getting there. I'd say we're 3/4 plus the way through. There's an 11.5 mile, which I was gonna do today, but ain't gonna. And then there's a 20 miler, and I don't know if I'll ever do that. Here we are at a turnaround spot for the in and out walk. Back in. Not my favorite hikes. I don't like seeing stuff twice. All right, legs are pumped now. This is an uphill hike on the old road, but almost back at the truck. I'm gonna finish this off, go home, edit some videos. You guys have a good weekend.